let's say you are asked, what are you going to do if your quality control sample fail? Or what could cause a quality control sample to fail? So one, you must know when your QC fail, it could be due to random error, or it could be due to systematic error. Okay, right, let's look at it in detail. So when QC fail, what you should be looking at, is it the personnel that is running it, or is it the QC sample itself, or is it the reagent, or is it the analyzer itself? So now, what are the factors that could lead to that? So you consider the QC sample first. You look at, is it underfilled or insufficient? You look at, has it expired? You look at, is a lot number different from what is on the system? Okay. You look at, is a sample contaminated? You look at, is a sample properly mixed? You look at whether the sample is properly stored, okay, at the appropriate temperature. You look at the potency of the sample. In other words, how long have we been using the sample? These are the factors, okay, that could contribute to that QC sample failing. I hope that makes sense. Okay, now you now say, if it is not any of this, I would then investigate the reagent. Is the reagent insufficient? Has it expired? Is a lot number different? In fact, even the hose pipe connecting the reagent and the analyzer, is it not, if it is not well stretched, it means that the analyzer may be aspirating bubbles and not the appropriate reagent, and that could also contribute to that. Okay, now you also mentioned, if that is not the case, that means it is not the QC sample, it is not the reagent, therefore it is possibly to be due to what? The analyzer. So you are going to investigate the analyzer. What are you going to do first? You do maintenance, okay, and you do calibration where appropriate. Then you can repeat the QC. If the QC pass, happy days, that means you've solved the problem. If it doesn't pass, put the analyzer on standalone, or maybe put it out of use, and of course report it to the senior, and of course report it to the engineers, and maybe ask them to come and look at it and properly document it on the handover sheet, so that you can easily give the handover to the appropriate person taking over from you.